Hello everybody, welcome back to G Mama's World. Well guys, I'm coming to you with day 2 of the Eat Out Your Refrigerator, Your Freezer, and Your Pantry challenge by Tasty Mukbang East. It's the challenge where you can eat out of your freezer, your refrigerator, or your pantry without buying any food unless you need seasoning or anything to go with the meats that you're cooking. But try not to go to the store. Just eat out of your pantry, your freezer, and your refrigerators. So, with that being said, I'm doing a 7-day challenge. You can go longer than that, but I'm only going 7 days. So, with that being said, go to Tasty channel and look at. She has a list of challenges. You can do either one. Just comment under one of her videos which one you are doing if you choose to do any of her challenges. And also, I'm still doing the 30-day water challenge by Tasty Mukbang East. Okay? I'm going to pray and we're going to get started. Amen. How y'all guys doing today? Before we get started, I want you to like this video, comment down below what you think about this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already have, hit that notification button so you'll know every time I drop a new video or I go live, and share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. Today I'm coming to you with corn. I have corn on the cob, I have shrimp, I have T-bone steak, and some of the greens that I cooked on Sunday. Okay? So this is the only thing you will see me eating, leftovers. I can eat greens all day long, but not the other stuff. So you guys go get your plate or your lunch or whatever you want to eat while I'm eating after I give you your taste. Okay? By the time I get through sharing with you, some of you may be full. I hope everybody likes 57 sauce, Heinz 57 and hot sauce. Because that's what I'm putting out here. Oh, and I did sauteed onions that's on top of the steak and onion gravy that I have on it. Okay, guys, we're going to get started. We're going to get started. I'm going to give you guys the first bite. The first bite. Okay, we're going to give you the first bite. Got a little onions and 57 sauce, gravy, all that's on here. Let me put the onion back on there. Okay. Okay, guys, get your first bite. That's your first bite. Alrighty. It's good. Oh, that's a. Well, I cooked that, so but that's fat. I don't want that. Oh Lord, it's tender. It's so tender. Okay. Here you guys corn. Here's your corn. And your shrimp. I sauteed these and seasoned them. Okay. I didn't boil them. I was intending to get another fork and forgot. Forgot to get another fork. I forgot, y'all. Forgive me, okay? Here's your greens. Alrighty. I forgot. Oh, them greens are so good. They done marinated 2 days in that seasoning. And it is so good. That turkey neck. It was smoked turkey neck. How you guys been doing? And before we get started, guys, I want to, this young man, he's been on my live a lot. I have about 4 young men, and one of them, someone got into his account, and he's not falsifying it because someone told me yesterday that they thought it was him and said he's going off the chain. He's posting videos every 10 minutes. He's doing this, he's doing that. Found out today it wasn't him. Somebody got into his account and they did all this here. Then they deleted his account. So he called YouTube and they told him it was nothing they can do about it and stuff like that. So I want to give this young man a shout out. So you all can go and visit him and show him some love. You know, I don't know how many family he had, but I know he was, you know, he was in my live since I came, since I started going live. And he came up a pretty, you know, it wasn't, it was under the, you know, I don't want to say the number because I don't know if I can say that and stuff, but just go show him some love. And because I tried to find his video yesterday, I mean his channel yesterday, to see what was going on. Because I know he's always in my live, but he wasn't in my live yesterday. And I had gave him a shout out on Sunday. I gave him and another young man a shout out on Sunday. And to hear that, and I went to see what was going on, I couldn't even find his channel. So that's, I guess it was deleted. So just go over there. His name is Big Ben and the number 2. It's all together. Big Ben and the number 2. So if you guys can go over there and just show him some love so we can try to keep this young man encouraged. Okay, y'all? And let him know G Mama sent you. Y'all been showing me so much love since I've been going live. I think I'm going to keep this up. Because I'm talking to my phone right now. And I love when I talk to you and you talk back. I like that. I'm going to try to figure out how you can do that where when you're talking to people, you hit their name and they come up in the screen up here. Like they do on Facebook. Oh, Lord, I'm shaking the whole table, y'all. This is up here by this gristle. Yeah, it's a gristle right there. I hate them to have that gristle in it. And it's right in the center. I can name this here Surf and Turf. But I'm doing that challenge, so I'm going to stick to that challenge. Y'all hear the dog? This gravy is so good. It has a little spice to it. I put on here slap your mama. I think that's what it's called, slap your mama. So it got a little taste. Oh, this here. Oh, now I'm cutting on the bone. I mean, I don't cut such a big piece. Won't be shaking the phone. That gristle. It must be on this side. It's a big old piece of gristle. Let me just pick it up, because it's so tender. I don't know why I'm cutting. Oh, I put too much of that stuff. It's spicy. It's spicy. How y'all been doing? Oh, that steak is hot. No spices, it's hot. Oh, I know what I did. It's called pepper season, and some kind of flakes. And they big like red pepper flakes. And then I put that slap your mom on here. That's what it is. I never used the, not on my steak, that slap your mama. I never used it on the steak. I know I'm used that just on the seafood. This is so good. Y'all see, I took my grandson home. He'll be back. He'll be back Thursday. He was all in my life. Y'all gonna have to excuse me, that whole phone shaking. I don't want to pick this up with my hand because it got that gravy on it. Yeah, with the bone. I was cutting the bone, and it was shaking the whole table. Uh-oh. Oh, y'all, this is spicy. I put too much on here. I'm gonna have to get my tongs. Y'all, this is so good. These mama just had to get with it. Because I was shaking the whole table. Because it had that bone. I cut the bone up. See, I had cut that bone. But you know, the bone be long. And that's why I was shaking the table. So, I just wait till I get through. Because, oh, this is aggressive. Because I ain't finna be using up all my napkin. Y'all, it's good. It's good. Oh, Lord. Oh, I laid in my fingernail. I know, y'all. I can wash my hands when I get through. But, y'all, that bothers me. Okay. But anyway, how y'all doing today? If you seen this video for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, how you doing? If y'all not eating with me, what are you eating? What are you eating? This corn is good. I know I'm be up a while, but this got to digest. Put some gravy on them. I said, Yeah, I'm gonna only do 7 days. Cause when I get out of church, I almost forgot. I be trying to get the nearest thing because I haven't ate all day. And I be trying to get the nearest thing coming from church. And I had to come home and cook this. I cooked myself a steak and my brother a steak. And he had one of them big porterhouse steaks. And you know they thick. So I cooked it. And you have to cook it for a minute, slice it, and let it be done in the middle. I like man's medium rare. But anybody else, I try to cook it well done. But it be real tender. And then I put it in the gravy and let the steam cook it. And it was so good. Y'all saw how tender it was. I was eating it with my hand. Once I got past that bone, yeah, I be on YouTube catching up with my video. 'Cause I can't go to sleep with them. I'm gonna eat one more shrimp. Terrell, save me a shrimp. Y'all know he always begging. And he just had some cheddar. So I saved him a corn and 2 shrimps. Y'all think I should give him some of my steak? Because he always begging. I think I gave him a piece. Because I had a big old steak. Y'all saw that steak. I should give one of these pepper. Since he always want to beg. Did I eat a shrimp? Oh. Y'all, I'm tired. I don't even remember eating it. Yeah. Put some of that onion on there. That gravy is so good. I sauteed the onion. Made that little. It's thin gravy. It's not the real thick gravy. It's that thin gravy. I put them onions over in there. When I got to doing the steak, about 6 minutes, 3 on each side. Then I put that gravy over on the steak and let it simmer and finish cooking. But I turn the burner off, so the steam is cooking the steak, not the fire. And that way your steak won't get tough and it won't get overcooked. So, yeah. I'm taking these stems out. Because once they sit in this juice, they get tender. I like them when you first cook it, where they be steamed and they be crunchy. Well, y'all, Y'all, I'm almost finished, except for what I'm giving to Red. Cause you know he be trying to, he be begging. I don't give him no whole steak because he ain't gonna eat no whole steak. And them steaks is high. Now, Tanaya, T9, as y'all know her, now that sister eat a whole steak. She expensive. Y'all see her tackling them crab legs. That sister eat a steak. She expensive. Well, I ate the fat and all. Well, guys, I'm about done. Except for that, I'm going to give Terrell. Because he waiting on it, y'all. He is waiting. So I want you all to like this video. Comment down below what you thought about the second day of the freezer, refrigerator, and pantry challenge by Tasty Mukbang East. Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. If you haven't already hit those red letters, hit them red letters till they turn gray. Hit that bell till it grow wings like a bird, so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video or when I go live. And share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. And for my new family members, welcome to G Mama's World. Welcome. I hope you enjoy the contents that you're seeing. And you all don't forget that video, coupon video that I dropped today. I'm going to try to come back Thursday or Friday to show you guys what I got. And don't forget Big Ben too. Go over there and show him some love. Tell him G Mama sent you. And till I see you all in another video, you all be safe and be kind to one another. Have a good sleep and a sweet dreams. If ain't nobody told you they loved you today, always remember G Mama loves you, T9 loves you, and Jesus loves you. Until I see you in another video, peace.